These are some of the basic tasks that are commonly done in sites. There are many others that are not covered here, but some of those will be covered later in this course, when appropriate. Although you do specify the title and description when creating the site, this option gives you the ability to modify them if you need to for some reason. The one extra ability that this option gives you is adding or changing the site logo, the graphic that is shown on the top left of the site's home and other pages. This allows for a more customized site than using the standard SharePoint 2013 logo. You can add your company, country, or any other image you wish here. SharePoint 2013 has a number of features available in it, as you've learned in the previous lesson. However, not all of them are enabled on every site. In fact, depending upon the template that is chosen when creating the site, some features are enabled and others are disabled. Nevertheless, you can go ahead and change this by going to the Manage Site features. All the features available in SharePoint will be displayed here. Those features that are enabled will be shown as active. You can click a button next to each to deactivate them. Other features will be inactive, but you can again click a button next to each to activate. That is, enable them. This is a very powerful capability since it allows you to add any SharePoint feature to any site you create, even if it doesn't have it by default. Regional settings enable you to change the way that data, especially date and time, currency, and numbers, are displayed to users in that site. Say, for instance, SharePoint has been installed using US English settings. However, you wish to have members of sites meant for employees in the European or Asian regions to view these in their own format. You can easily change these settings from there. Sometimes you might introduce changes to a site that you wish to undo. The Reset to Site Definition option does exactly that. It undoes all changes that you've done on the site since the time you created it. This is a dangerous option and should be used only in dire circumstances. Try to undo changes individually rather than using this option. The Delete Site option simply does what it says. All structure, data, changes, everything is simply removed from SharePoint. Use this when you are sure you do not need the site anymore.